Yes, hello. 1, 2, 3. Hello, 1, 2, 3.
C, D, E, F, G.
Hey. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, yo, yeah. Okay,
Well, check your mic too,
I
Chris.
swear that I said this to myself. If my lovemaking was translated into like a melodic sound, this would be it.
Yes, that was what I was going for.
Is that what it was?
Yes.
I always said the same. I was like, yo, if I was thinking, I'm wondering if this is what she thought.
Like I said, the whole EP is like about love. It's called Love Sounds, but it's just like love of life too. You know what I mean? It's like love of life, love of love, understanding love, ups and downs of loves. Like, you know.
The thing that I love about this mixtape is that whether you're into love or not to love, like you want the lust, maybe you hate the lust, whatever the emotion is, this entire mixtape is mesmerizing.
Oh, thank you so much.
It really is, and I love that about this mixtape. Yeah.
La 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 Cali love.
Yeah, she let it go.
My top down in my Jeep, rolled into Cali streets. My music turned up, my crew mobbing like what? Singing la 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 Cali love. My top down in my hood, the boys looking what's good. My crew stay turned up, my girls mobbing like what? Singing la 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 la
My crew mobbing, I'm hot. Ray-Bans in my flip-flops, gold all in my wristwatch. Pool parties on rooftops, they got trees and you know this. Sit back 'cause they rollin' that la 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 la. That California sun, bring that West Coast love. Won't you come and get some of that California dreaming?
Top down in my Jeep, rolled into Cali streets. My music turned up, my crew mobbing like what? Singing la 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 la. My top down in my hood, the boys looking what's good. My crew stay turned up, my girls mobbing like what? Singing la 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 la.
We still mobbing, I'm hot. Zooming beach in my sunblock. I'm heading to my night spot. City lights in my backdrop. We cruising down my block. Bobbing heads to that Tupac like la 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 la. That California sun, bring that West Coast love. Won't you come and get some of that California dreaming?
My top down in my Jeep, rolled into Cali streets. My music turned up, my crew mobbing like what? Singing la 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 la. My top down in my hood, the boys looking what's good. My crew stay turned up, my girls mobbing like what? Singing la 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 la.
Palm trees, sex on the beach, Corvette, leather seats. My queen will wait till I'm wide awake, 'cause I'm the king. It's like a chess game, and I'm playing for keeps. Pop that top for me, then I'm gonna make that pussy leak. She call me baby boy, no Tyrese. I beat it up like Ali, Rodney, King me. You everywhere you ain't supposed to be, so get close to me. In the rows with me, grow with me, we can take off for weeks. I'm top down, riding on the sunset, yeah. Can't turn the music down, 'cause I'm turned up, yeah. Bet she ain't gon' walk the same way. Bet she ain't gon' talk the same way when she get a taste of LA. Where
My
her
top down in my Jeep, rolled into Cali streets. My music turned up, my crew mobbing like what? Singing la 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 la. My top down in my hood, the boys looking what's good. My crew stay turned up, my girls mobbing like what? Singing la 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 la.
yeah.
just have to talk about love, like on this EP, like all the way. Love of life, like, which is something I was just telling you, I'm trying to really get to that place where I'm like free and like really like, doing what I love without thinking about any negativity or thinking about failing or just being, you know what I mean?
Right, just being and living.
It don't get no better than it. It don't get no better than it.
Young California.
It don't get no better than it. It don't get no better than it.
I just woke up, missed about 6 calls from my friends. Shoo-ba-doo-ba-doo-doo. It went up last night. We about to go off again. Shoo-ba-doo-ba-doo-doo-doo. We gon' sunset strip the town tonight. Hollywood my way in front of the line. Walked in my family loving life.
Damn, it's a beautiful day.
It don't get no better than it. 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 It don't get no better than it.
DJ's cute and the bartender caught my eye. So my drinks were free and they played my song all night. Now we coasting to the borderline, Broadway into the city lights. Me and my family loving life.
It's such a beautiful day.
It don't get no better than it. 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 It don't get no better than it.
And it ain't even my birthday. I ain't worried about a damn thing. And it ain't even my birthday. I'm just doing my damn thing.
It don't get no better than it. It don't get no better than it. It don't get no better than it. It don't get no better than it.
And then there was another one. It's called Hollywood.
Yeah, yes. It's the full title is going to be Hollywood Romance because I was describing the idea like a movie, it's like starry skies, like you know what I mean, like movie love. Yeah,
There is no such. We all want that Hollywood
yeah,
love that
yep,
we see on TV.
yep, yep.
Freaking romance and the
Yep.
courtship. It's
Yeah,
like,
that
Jake,
stuff is
come on.
gone, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But in this, like in, the, I mean, I'm pretty sure there are guys that do it.
Yes, let it go.
Can we be best friends and can we hold hands? Take me to new lands while we slow dance. Starry skies and moonlight, stop down at sunrise. Can you stir my mind? Look me in my eyes, yeah. Show me I'm the only one, and I'll show you what the one feels like. Give me moon and give me sun, I can give you day into the night.
just
this
had
man is perfect.
No, he has his things, girl. And that's the thing, everyone does.
Yeah.
But you have to both be willing to, number one, do the work on yourself and be receptive for the other person to like raise the red flag. But you also have to both be there unconditionally and really want to be there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what love is to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I just like paid for a class.
Give me that 24 karat diamond. Give me that diamond 24 karat. Give me that 24 karat diamond. Give me that diamond 24 karat. Diamond 24 karat love.
I look in his eyes, I feel all his pain. I see every struggle, he wears them like chains. With no one to trust, he never knew love. He gambled on me, he gambled on me.
You're giving me 24 karat love, feeling like it should be 24 hours. So you're giving me that 24 karat love, boy, you catch me out. I feel like diamonds on me, diamonds on me. I feel like diamonds on me. Catch me out. Give me that 24 karat diamond. Give me that diamond 24 karat love. Diamond 24 karat. Give me that 24 karat diamond. Give me that diamond 24 karat love. Diamond 24 karat love.
The look in his eyes says I'm on his team. I never come last, he made me his queen. I hold down the fort, I make him feel good. I gambled on him, I gambled on him.
You're giving me 24 karat love,
gambled on him.
feeling like it should be 24 hours.
gambled on
So
him.
you're giving me that 24 karat love, boy, you catch me out. I feel like diamonds on me, diamonds on me. I feel like diamonds on me. Catch me out. Give me that 24 karat diamond. Give me that diamond 24 karat love. Diamond 24 karat. Give me that 24 karat diamond. Give me that diamond 24 karat love. Diamond 24 karat love. You don't trust nobody. You don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody. You're giving me 24 karat love, feeling like it should be 24 hours. So you're giving me that 24 karat love, boy, you catch me out. I feel like diamonds on me, diamonds on me. I feel like diamonds on me. Catch me out.
You gotta love yourself enough for the both of you guys.
Yeah, real
That's
talk.
how it works.
Real talk. But that's what I was saying about the loving yourself, like wholly. You know what I mean? It's like you come one whole person that's already like full of love for themselves, and another full person whole and full of love for themselves, and then you unite. But if you're like kind of like not, you know, you don't have enough love for yourself, let alone love for someone else, like, and two people are fractured, and like, you know what I mean? It's like,
Makes sense.
yeah, it's
Even-
like, how can it work?
Even
Bro.
if one person was full of love of themselves and the other person was like, kind of,
Yeah.
that causes insecurity.
Excuse me, I feel your energy across the room. It's Sabi, you're looking over and you feel it too. Have you ever come across chemistry like this before? But you never laid your eyes on a girl with a soul that's gold. One thing that I learned about life, you gotta strike when the moment's right. I
being
I hate
held.
that feeling.
You know what I mean?
It's the worst feeling. But if you can really just say, like,
yeah,
envision you crawling into God's arms and Him cradling you and comforting you. And that's got to be the vision every time.
Exactly.
Damn, girl, that's heartbreak is a bitch.
Yeah.
Heartbreak's a bitch.
I know.
Girl.
Yes, let it go.
Everything is different. Everything is you. Now I know it's over. I don't believe it's through. Convince myself a million times. I can't get you off my mind. 'Cause everything is different. Everything is you. Everything is you. I know everything you think you are. You
forgiveness and love go hand in hand.
Sometimes we just gotta really, really let go.
Yeah. Now I know God is the only reason I got through. Turn it down a smidgen, please.
Hey, yeah. Now here you go again. You say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it, but listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad, and the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost and what you had and what you lost. Thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. They say women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you'll know. You will know. Now here I go again. I see the crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. It's only me who wants to wrap around your dreams. And have you any dreams you like to sell? Dreams of loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad, in the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost and what you had and what you lost. Thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. They say women, they will come and they will go. When the rain washes you clean, you'll know. You will know. Yeah, you will know. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. What you lost and what you had. What you lost and what you had and what you lost. You know what you had and what you lost. La 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 Kelly love.
Yeah, see, let it go.
My top down and my Jeep, rolling the Cali streets. My music turns up, my crew mobbing like what? Singing la
bleaching my sunblock. I'm heading to my night spot. City lights in my backdrop. We cruising down my block. Bobbing heads to that Tupac like la 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 la. That California sun, we you, we you. That West Coast love, we you, we you. Won't you come and get some, we you, we you. Of that California dreaming. My top down and my team, rolling the Cali streets. My music turns up, my crew mobbing like what? Singing la 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 la. Hey love. My top down in my hood, the boys looking what's good. My crew stay turned up, my girls mobbing like what? Singing la 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 la. Hey love.
Palm trees on the beach, Corvette, leather seats. My queen will wait till I'm wide awake, cause I'm the king. It's like a chess game, and I'm playing for keeps. Pop that tie for me, then I'm gonna make that big leak. She call me baby boy, no Tyrese. I beat it up like Ali, Rodney, King me. You everywhere you ain't supposed to be, so get close to me. In the rows with me, grow with me, we can take off for weeks.